Morning everybody, Vape Crusader here. Today I'm going to be talking about e-liquids, the stuff you fill your electronic cigarettes up with. The first product I'm going to be looking at is the Rock. This product here. This is their Mountain Menthol flavour. They also do 4 or 5 other different flavours. One of the advantages of the Rock is that it uses this very thin nozzle here. Now that's very useful when you need to get into cartomizers and tanks, and is unique amongst these products, very useful. I find the Rock is a very flavoursome e-liquid. It's got a good kind of character about it, and it's easy to distinguish between the various different flavours they offer. Absinthe is my favourite. It's very good packaging, and as I say, the bottle's very good. On the downside for the Rock, it's a very small range they offer, and the price is £8.99, which is notably more expensive than all of the other products here. Now, it's made in the UK, and there are various other criteria that Rock offer. Have a look at their website to justify this price tag, but given that the whole point of using e-liquid is to save money, I'm not necessarily sure this is the way that I would go. Overall, I'm going to give the Rock 3 stars out of 5. The next product we've got here is the product from Juicy Cigs. Again, this is a very good product. The flavour is very good and distinctive. They do a much wider range than Rock, something like 80 different flavours I think, and the packaging, the bottle, it's all very good. All the lids on all of these are childproof lids, which they have to be in order to comply with various regulations. So it's a good product, good flavour, good packaging and bottle and so on, and a good range, but it's £4.99 and not £8.99, and for that reason I give the Juicy Cigs e-liquid a 4-star rating out of 5. Okay, the next one we have here is from Mirage, what they call their Oasis liquid. Again, the packaging is very good on this, with plenty of warnings and descriptions about what flavour you've got and the strength of it and so on. That's all very good. And again, the flavour is good. The packaging and the bottle, as I say, is very good. A fairly decent range, but it's £6.99, and I don't think offers you anything very much more than the product from Juicy Cigs. For this reason, I'm going to give this a 3.5-star rating. So the next one we have is this product from Jack Vapor. Now, I would say that this product is, the vape for me tastes slightly weaker or more diluted than the others I've looked at so far. Now that might be just a subjective assessment by me, but it doesn't feel quite as flavoursome or characterful. But it's still fine, it's perfectly decent, but not, I would say, quite as good as the others. There's a reasonable range that they offer, but the main scoring point for the Jack is it costs £3.99. Now when you compare that to the Rock at £8.99, you have to be asking yourself some fairly serious questions as to why you're paying an extra £5 per 10 millilitres. I'm not sure I've got a very good answer for that. All in all, I'm going to give the Jack product 3 stars out of 5. The next is this product from e-cigs. Now, if you look at this next to the Jack product, they look pretty much identical. It seems to me exactly the same, really, probably made in the same factory. I've vaped both of them, and the vape is, I really can't distinguish one from the other, to be honest. But the e-cigs product is £4.99, and if you're going to get this and you like it, then why not save £1 and buy the Jack? I'm going to give the e-cigs product though still 3 out of 5, because it's a decent product, but I'd still save yourself £1 if I were you. And finally, there's the Libero e-liquid. Now the Libero e-liquids are good. There's a wide range that they offer. This works out for this 5ml sample at £3.30, so I guess you can gross that up to £6.60, probably a bit less, for the 10ml sample. But all the same, it's coming in at around about the same price as the Mirage, so notably more expensive than the Jack and the Juicy Cigs. Excuse me. The packaging, I have to say, is a problem. This is not only child-proof, it's adult-proof. Very hard to get into, to get this stuff off. Very difficult. All in all, I would give this product 2.5 stars out of 5. Excuse me. So, in summary, we've got these various different products. If you look at the various different criteria I've used, range, flavour, price, and so on, and packaging, the winner for me is this product from Juicy Cigs. It's a reasonable price, the flavour is as good as more expensive products, there's a very good range, and overall, as I say, it gets 4 stars and is my winner for today. If you'd like to order any of these products, you can get discounts on them at my website. That's www.the-vaped-crusader.com. Thanks for watching.